Hello everyone, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel Java by MK. So this is one DSA problem where you have to create and define a data structure with uh, name as RandomizeSet. So we have this method insert, remove and get random. So insert will insert value into this data structure that we will define now, and then we also have remove and we have get random. So the main concern is we have to use O1 big O notation, means we have to solve this by O1 time complexity. So to do so we have to find out which data structure should be suitable to perform these operations. So if we take example of hash set is a good example where we will get O1 for insert and remove. But for get random means to out of all the values that are stored in the record, any random value will be taken out. That we will be using random class for that. So but for hash set, get random will be of O1 time complexity, so we cannot use hash set. So uh, we will be using two data structure in this particular question. So one is array list, another one is map. So how we will do that, I will show you now. So let's first create one constructor. Let me put this at the end so that it will be clear to everyone. Okay, so now let me create one constructor here, public, where we will initialize our data structure. So let me first create one list of integer type, and let's take map as key and value as integer. Okay, and let's initialize this in the constructor. Okay, next let's initialize our hash map to hash map also. Okay, now we are good. Now let's first write insert method. Let me put this in the top. Okay, okay, done. Now we have to insert in this in this record all the values. Okay, so let me give here as value. Okay, now first we have to check how we will do that. I will tell you. In the list we will store all the values, and in map index, this key will have the value, and will have the val, and value will have the index of the list. So this list will have value, and this list and key is equivalent, you can see. and this value will have the index of the list. Okay, so first of all, as I said, that we will store like this. So we will first check in the insert time whether our value, which is basically the key, is there in the map or not. If not, we will straightly return false. Okay, so that means if the value already exists, so no need to insert, it is already there. If not, then we will go ahead and what we will do, we will add the value here like this, and we will also store value as in the key, and in the value we will store the list dot size -1 index, and we will return true. That means we have inserted the value successfully. Now let me write how remove will work. This is little bit tricky, so let me put value here. Okay, the same scenario we will implement here if map dot contains key, but here we will put the not value. Let me put value here. If not, that means we cannot remove that, right? Value should be there in the map and list, then only we will go ahead then return false. Okay, so next what we will do, I will tell you. So what we will do, we when we remove any value from the list, we will first take the index. We will find out the index where that value exists. To find the index where the value exists in the list, we will use map, because we know that we already have stored the value in the map, all the index position. So let me give like this, map dot get value. So we will get the index here. Let me also just give size here. It will be useful, -1. Okay, we also put the size here. This is basically the full size of the list. Okay, now what we will do, we will we will swap, we will bring the last value present in the list to the index part. Okay, so how we will do that, list dot set, it will be index only, where we are going to get the value, and here we will get the value from okay. So that means what is happening here, that we have swapped, we have put the value at the index position, which is there in the last position. Okay, now what we will do, we will also do the same in the map, because we also need to update the map, right? So map will take a key, which is basically our value, and this part will be the index. So how we will get the index, list dot get